Hi, my name is Indira Schauwecker, International Artistic Director for Toning Eye and also LABEL.M. Today we are here at the work studio shooting our new campaign shoot for LABEL.M 2018 and 19. So the look I created today for this campaign is a mid-length bob that has really strong perimeter area and very sharp, but still maintains a little bit more softer fringe area and also working with a softer texture internally. We first of all applied blowout spray from LABEL.M on wet hair. After that, we blow dry that in with a smoothing brush, really giving that kind of attention of detail and moving the hair around to give a natural texture. After that, we utilize the powder to wax, really sprinkle the product in areas where we wanted to have it a bit more flatter, and use as well the powder on the ends to kind of create a little bit more separation and movement. And from there, we really just used our fingers and just managed to kind of really get this beautiful detail and this beautiful flick